Hey, Derek Wilson here. This is how you as the teacher can use the learning path. So when you log into Trek, we have both our global view, you have your classes, but then we have inside of these classes your learning path. You could switch between the classes by clicking these buttons here. But the learning path, and when you have the button selected, it's targeting that class when you chat, which is helpful. However, when you come over here, you can think about these like your units, right, on a page. And this is content. Any content you upload here is also visible for the student to download, to pull down, those sorts of things, unless you indicate otherwise in the system. The other thing is if the button is published, that makes it available to the AI. Again, unless you've opted out of that. And I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Basic things here. One of the things is the way the system works is you have to unpublish something briefly to upload some content. That'll go away in the next week or so, but it helps the AI know what to access and what not to. So if you want to upload content, you simply choose your file, you can drag and drop, you can type the material, you can offer a description of what it is, and then this is where you opt out of the AI tutor using it or not. The beautiful thing about this is when a student is chatting about your class, it's going to be referencing this material as well as our underlying knowledge base and curriculum that we've uploaded, but it's referencing this material directly as it chats with the student, which makes it incredibly more helpful to you as a teacher, where the students are getting responses about how you would respond or the content you care about. For example, if I upload here things like, this is the content we're covering about Pythagorean theorems, these areas. It's going to know that. When I'm ready, I can edit the material. I can edit the unit name. It has a unit code. You don't have to do that. Give it a little description. Again, the details you give to it are more helpful. I can also select my classes that I want to if I got multiple algebra classes. Then I just click publish, and now it's live. Students can access it through the page by clicking Learning Path as well on theirs. If you want to create a unit, Unit 3, graphing quadratics. I'm digging deep here for Algebra 2, Intro to Algebra. I can give it a unit code. You don't have to, though. But then again, we're covering how to graph quadratics. Fun. Right? And then I can publish it to choose the classes. I can publish immediately or not. I'm going to leave it unpublished so students won't see it. And now I got this. And so I can come in and add my content, add the materials. And this is the material that the AI system will reference. But when I'm ready, I click publish, and we're good to go. So the really neat thing about once you have it in here and available to the AI is that when you go to use tools, you can zero it in on things. By coming in here, and I'm going to select, but now, I'm sorry, it thinks I'm in biology, but when I come in, I can select those chapters, and I can select the exact learning path that I want and the content that I want it to generate around, making it an incredibly powerful tool for you. The more you put in, the better it gets. Thanks.